Hello, everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in the safari we are exploring the ducks for our amazing animals. Did you know? Ducks are enchanting aquatic birds that captivate the imagination with their vibrant plumage, graceful swimming, and unique behaviors. Found across the globe in a diverse range of habitats, ducks are remarkable creatures that have adapted to both land and water. In this detailed summary, we will delve into the fascinating world of ducks, exploring their physical characteristics, habitat preferences, behavior, feeding habits, reproduction, and conservation status. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and leave a comment down below on the next amazing animal you want to see. Physical characteristics. Ducks exhibit a wide array of physical traits that make them instantly recognizable. They typically have compact bodies, short necks, and webbed feet, which enable them to swim effortlessly through water. Their wings are designed for flight, allowing them to migrate across vast distances. Plumage varies among species, showcasing vibrant hues of green, brown, white, and blue, often complemented by striking patterns. Both males and females undergo a molting process, shedding and replacing their feathers annually. Habitat and distribution. Ducks are a diverse group of birds that inhabit a range of aquatic environments worldwide. They can be found in freshwater lakes, ponds, rivers, marshes, and even coastal areas. Different duck species exhibit specific habitat preferences, with some favoring open bodies of water while others thrive in densely vegetated wetlands. Ducks can be found on every continent except Antarctica, and their distribution is influenced by migratory patterns, climate, and food availability. Behavior and adaptations. Ducks are well known for their ability to both swim and fly with ease. They possess unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in aquatic environments. The webbed feet enable efficient swimming and diving, while their waterproof feathers keep them buoyant and well insulated. Ducks have specialized bills designed for their specific feeding habits, whether it's for grazing on vegetation, sifting through mud, or filtering small organisms from the water. Ducks are social animals, often seen in large groups known as flocks. Within these flocks, they engage in various social behaviors, including courtship displays, cooperative foraging, and vocal communication. Many duck species engage in complex courtship rituals, with elaborate displays of plumage and vocalizations. Feeding habits. Ducks are omnivorous, with a diverse diet that varies by species and habitat. Some species primarily feed on plant matter, such as aquatic plants, grasses, seeds, and grains. Others have a more carnivorous diet, consuming insects, small fish, crustaceans, and mollusks. Ducks employ a variety of feeding methods, including dabbling, upending in shallow water to reach submerged vegetation, diving, submerging to feed on aquatic life, and grazing, foraging on land. Their bills are adapted to their specific feeding habits, with some species having broad bills for straining food from water or narrow bills for probing mud and sand. Reproduction and life cycle. Ducks engage in complex reproductive behaviors. During the breeding season, males often display vibrant plumage and perform elaborate courtship rituals to attract females. These displays may involve head bobbing, wing flapping, and vocalizations. Once pairs form, females select nesting sites, typically in vegetation near water bodies. They construct nests using materials such as grass, leaves, and down feathers. Females lay a clutch of eggs and incubate them for a specific period, which varies among species but generally lasts around 25-30 days. Once hatched, the adorable ducklings are precocial, meaning they are capable of moving and feeding independently shortly after birth. The mother leads her brood to suitable water sources, where they learn to swim and forage under her guidance. The young ducks grow,